All right, here we go. Question number 17 from our 1316 homework number 1 in MyLab Math. And they want us to find the exact value of the 6 trigonometric functions of the given angle, which is 3 pi over 2. And we're going to go to our unit circle to do that. So in the unit circle, starting at 0, we know that our angle is positive. So we're going to go counterclockwise all the way around to 3 pi over 2. And that tells us that we're going to be using the ordered pair of 0, -1 to find our trig functions, okay? To find the value of the trigonometric functions. So let's start with sine of 3 pi over 2. Remember, in the unit circle, sine is y. So that value is going to be -1. Cosine of 3 pi over 2. In the unit circle, cosine is x. And so that is going to be 0. And tangent of 3 pi over 2. Remember, tangent is y over x. So that's going to be -1 over 0. But that's going to be division by 0, which is undefined. So tangent of 3 pi over 2 is actually undefined, okay? Now, for the other 3 trig ratios, cosecant of 3 pi over 2 is the reciprocal of -1. But if you take -1 and flip it over, you also get -1, okay? Secant of 3 pi over 2, the reciprocal of 0 would be 1 over 0, which would give us division by 0. And so we would expect that value to be undefined. That's going to give us division by 0, which is undefined. And for cotangent of 3 pi over 2, if I go back to the ordered pair, remember tangent is y over x. So cotangent would be x over y, which would be 0 over -1. And 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. So I would expect cotangent to be 0. And so now, of course, we could plug those into the calculator to check, but I feel pretty confident about that, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug them into MyLab Math here. Sine is -1. Cosine was 0. Tangent, oh, look at this. The function is not defined. So I want to actually click B for tangent. It was not defined, okay? And then remember, be careful to make sure you put in the answer they asked for. Cotangent is next, and we got 0. Secant, we found that to be undefined. And then cosecant, -1. And there you go. All right, so I hope all of that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.